There's a beautiful magic in it. The moment you wipe your laptop screen with this, everything gets edited automatically, dude. That's insane, right? Good morning, guys. So what's up, guys? Kaise ho? Elana? Hope everyone is doing great. And look who's here. Good morning, Nathu. I'm just heading out to the gym. See you in 1 hour, okay? Alright, done with the workout. Got a proper 1 hour of strength training. That too, heavy intense chest workout and another 20 minutes of cardio. Slowly I'll be increasing that. For now, we are good. All of a sudden, the single digit degree in Hyderabad has gone down. Usually early in the mornings, it goes to around 7 or 8 degrees. That's the lowest recorded in the last decade. But since 2 days, it's got warmer. 14 degrees has been the lowest temperature here in Hyderabad, which is amazing for people like me who are scared of cold. You know, when did I actually get scared of this cold? Not scared, but I get this phobia whenever it is like 1 or 2 degrees. The time when we went to Uttarakhand last time, coin toss ride, that is when I entered like 3 or 4 degrees. Almost 1 week we were living in those single digit degrees and I went mad. I started developing a phobia for cold. I mean, till 7 or 8 degrees is fine, but beyond that, not happening. Hey! सुबह स्टार्ट हो गया तो The most useless thing that I've ever ordered in my life is this particular one. Let's unfortunately unbox it. Polishing cloth. Like, seriously, Sriman, why did you order polishing cloth? Now, there are two types of people, Apple fanboy and Apple logical user. The Apple logical user makes a little bit more sense because he buys if that product is good, if that product makes sense to him. But the Apple fanboy, doesn't matter what it is, if it has an Apple logo on it, he will simply just go ahead and buy it. Aa category lo manamossam. Please don't go ahead and buy this. Don't say, Sriman, you inspired us to buy Apple products. I don't know why did Apple release this product, but I think it is to do with marketing, because once they release something like this, all of us YouTubers or in general in the media world, people start talking about Apple in a negative way, in a positive way, but somehow they get free marketing done. Otherwise, seriously, 2000 rupees for a polishing cloth? Sorry, I'm wrong. It is not 2000 rupees. It is 1900 only. And iske liye there is a crazy waiting period. You can even get the MacBook Pro M1, the latest Pro Max edition, within 2 to 3 weeks. But this one is taking more than 4 weeks. Safe for use on all Apple displays and surfaces. For infrequent cleaning of hard to remove smudges on nano textured glass. A 70% isopropyl alcohol. Again, I have to buy something else. Apple, do you even sell isopropyl alcohol? It has a crazy nice looking Apple logo over here, which is nice. Oh yes, it's got some thickness to it. A little bit rubbery. Here's hamara MacBook Pro M1 Max Pro, M1 Pro Max. Okay, you see this smudge over here, right? Actually, this goes wipe like that. Seems to be working. Even think of buying it. Don't do that mistake. The reason I bought it is because number one, I can make content out of it. Reason number two, let's have it before it sells out. You know what type of cloth is this basically? Whenever you buy expensive sunglasses, you complement it with a cloth, right? A free cloth to clean the lenses of your sunglasses. That is given complimentary. For this, you have to place an order, and it is 2000 rupees because it's got Apple's logo. You know what? Actually, I'll be taking care of this more than my laptop from now on. It is a very expensive cloth. I can't just leave it around anywhere like that. I think I'll put it inside a nice showcase. Okay, as you guys can see, this is the closest I can go to the polishing cloth. Oh, sorry, Apple polishing cloth. And you can see that there are like close knit fibers. Yeah, that's about it. I think that is the closest anyone have shown this stupid cloth on YouTube. What are you doing? Put all the spoons back, go. Are those things to play? Give it back. Give it. Okay, that is my breakfast today. I'm having steamed dosa because Zishan asked me to once again increase my calories because we have also increased our weight, which means we have to increase calories. There is some technique for this to break your metabolism and all that. You just wait, don't disturb my vlog. So right now I'm having some carbs. Actually, dosa is there in my diet, but this is from Bahar. Ghar ka dosa nahi hai. This is anyway steamed dosa. You tell me what is this? I'll give you. Doki. What is it? Not doki. Basically, abhi tak she doesn't know how to say sa. It'll take some time. She'll be there. Previously, when I was like 75 kilos, I used to have around 15 to 16, no, 1800 calories. Now we increased by 1000 more calories. And eating those 1000 extra calories is definitely difficult. Yeah, it feels like I'm eating a lot. But yes, I'm trying to break my metabolism and go back to not like 75, 76 like before, but at least to maybe 79, 80. And we'll maintain that. More sustainable now. So that's done. My steamed dosa is finished. Doesn't matter if you have steamed dosa, sambar, doesn't matter whatever fancy stuff you eat. Not considered a good breakfast if you don't have Mysore boda.
That's my favorite.
Even my favorite. I'm eating everything, but portion control. Pooja can do that. I can't do portion control. If I like something, I'll binge eat. That is my problem.
That's why I eat everything.
That's why Pooja stays in shape all the time. Since the last 20 years, you're like this only?
No, I put on little
Maybe
bit.
4 or 5 kilos here and there.
Yeah. I
In
put
the
on
last
bit.
20 years, I'm talking about.
No, 20
She
years,
eats everything,
yeah.
but she has this portion control thing. I can't do that. If I like something, khatam. I can finish the whole packet. See, this is what she keeps doing. Doesn't matter how many toys you get her, she'll keep playing with all this kitchenware. Is this the place to play? Put everything back, come. We again, because I told you I'm going back home today. Not today, tomorrow I'm going back home. I need to sort out some stuff. I told you, right? I'm going on a bike ride. I'll have to pack some stuff for the bike ride. I'll stay here tonight. I know too much of upar niche ho raha, but it is like this for a couple of days or maybe a couple of months till we get used to everything. Actually, I got a small toy for Naisha. A small kitchen set. I did not give it to her since almost 2 weeks. Let's give it to her now. Naisha, see what I got for you. New toy. But you need to put all that back. Put all that back, then I'll give you this. Chichi, look at me. We have to do all this. Now put all that back. You see that? She's listening. Now put all that back. Not there, not there. Where did you take it out from? Did you take it out from there? Luncham. Innali luncham. Luncham is second pillal. Put it back, you don't want this? Put it back.
Okay.
Okay, it seems. Look at his face, full excited. Oh, unboxing, huh?
It's your daughter, she unboxed.
Nice to get the remote. Remote la will switch off the TV. Now she's listening to everything because you got her a toy. You know how to switch. You know how to switch off the TV? Cut. Stop that overaction. Okay, open. I got your kitchen set, Naicho. Wait. Open, kar. Yes, okay, now you have your knife, your spoon, your katori, everything. Please don't take ours, okay? You play with your toys. That's not a ball, that's a tomato. That's a plastic tomato, bro. What is that? Pink, okay. Carrot, okay, what is that? What is that? I hope this will keep her busy for some time. You need to pack all this inside, throw all this inside, okay? It's easy to unbox, but post-unboxing process is very difficult. You need to clean all this stuff. Put it in the trash, go.
No.
Once again, हमारा clothes are ready. I told you right. Finally, yes, a bike ride is gonna happen, and I think I'm more excited than anything else this year. Any which ways, all the clothes, everything is ready. For now, today I'm planning to go back to the old house again. I just dropped Pooja and Naisha to Pooja's mom's place because she has a couple of office meetings to attend. More important than the clothes and all that, my gadgets, my camera equipment, all that stuff. Pack everything in this big bag, and we are good to go. For now, let's go meet my friends. ఎవరైతే మనకేంటి లుక్ హూస్ హియర్ ద క్యాప్షన్ అండ్ అర్చిత్ ఇస్ హియర్ యూ వాంట్ టు సీ సంథింగ్ నన్ను తిట్టద్దు కొట్టద్దు సీ దిస్
వచ్చిందా కర్చీఫ్
ఏంటది
యాపిల్ పాలిషింగ్ టిమ్ కుక్ వాడిన కర్చీఫ్ యాక్చువల్లీ టైటిల్ దిస్ విల్ బి మై టైటిల్ టిమ్ కుక్స్ కర్చీఫ్ వెరీ కాస్ట్లీ వెరీ ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ ఆల్ యూ కెన్ డూ ఇస్ వైప్ నువ్వు అట్లా అంత జాగ్రత్తగా తీసుకున్నాను
ఏమో చీవులు పెట్టుకుంటుంది
కర్చీఫ్ ని ఫస్ట్ టైం కర్చీఫ్ లాగా మాడం
ప్రీమియం క్వాలిటీ యాపిల్ లోగో ఉంది కావాలంటే ఏదది
ఇదేదో వర్సాచే కర్చీఫ్ లాగా చూస్తున్నాం మనం
వాట్ డు యు వాంట్ టు డు విత్ దిస్
యు వాంట్ టు వైప్
యు కాంట్ ఈవెన్ వైప్ యువర్ స్వెట్
I can wipe fingerprints on a
Is it
screen.
washable?
I don't know. Warranty void అంటాడు.
మైక్రో ఫైబర్
ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ మాన్యువల్ ఉంది దానికి కూడా. ఏ బై ద వే యూ కాంట్ యూజ్ ఇట్ జస్ట్ లైక్ దట్.
ఫర్ బెస్ట్ దాని మీద క్లీన్ చేయాలి.
No, for
ఆల్రెడీ క్లీన్ ఉంది.
మళ్ళీ యాపిల్ సొల్యూషన్ ఏమంటారు
for best results use 70% isopropyl alcohol to get best results అంట. అది యాపిల్ లో అమ్ముతాడు ఫ్యూచర్ లో.
నెక్స్ట్ ప్రోడక్ట్ అన్నమాట.
Shiva is actually used to such stuff because Avatar results are like this. But Arshit, are you used to such stuff?
I don't think so. Arey,
Searching for parking. Do you remember where did you park?
Yeah, somewhere there. I took a photo. I have a photo of it.
Photo will not help. I did all that before. Nothing helps. You need to remember your steps basically.
అది ఎట్లా ఉందా పాటు
ఒక ఎయిర్ ట్యాగ్ వేసేసి రైసార్ నుంచి యూజర్ యాపిల్ ఎయిర్ ట్యాగ్.
అది ఇంపియర్ అంటే
I already understood you people are confused already.
అక్కడ సమ్వేర్ దేర్ అగవాడు
శివ చాలా కాన్ఫిడెంట్ గా ఎత్తుకుతున్నాడు ఇట్లా.
టిక్ టిక్ టిక్
ఓ ఈజ్ యూజింగ్ ద కీ ఆల్రెడీ.
ఇళ్ళకి సెల్లార్లోకి ఎంటర్ కాగానే జీపీఎస్ సిగ్నల్ లాస్ట్ అని వచ్చింది.
అవునా? లక్కీలీ యూ హ్యావ్ 4G సిగ్నల్ హియర్. ఇంటర్నెట్ యూ హ్యావ్.
GPS
GPS obviously will not work.
అవాడు ఉన్నాయి కదా సమ్ సియాన్ కలర్ గోల్డ్ అదే
ఏంటి? అరే మిస్ ద షాట్. He was doing goal round. Because visitor parking say even I don't know because I never parked in visiting. హలో ఎగ్జిట్ అవుతున్నాం పైకి వస్తున్నాం తప్పిపోయినాం లోపల. ఆ పార్కింగ్ నుంచి నాకు ఎగ్జిట్ తెలుసురా. వీడు ఎక్కడో విజిటర్ పార్కింగ్ లో పెట్టిండు ఇటు వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ రోలర్ కోస్టర్ ఫన్. వస్తున్నా 2 minutes లో పైన ఉంటాం. నువ్వు ఎక్కడున్నావు? వస్తున్నాం
రెండు గేట్లు నేరా ఏ గేట్
there ఉన్నావు. వాటర్ ఫాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. Oh, we finally found the way out. Yes.
స్ట్రైట్ గా వెళ్తే బయటికి
Oh, by the way, we are in a car which has completed 136,790 kilometers only.
అది ఫ్లూక్ గా చెప్పిన నంబర్ కాదు నిజంగానే అంతే.
Fluke number కాదు. Like serious, look at that.
టైం టు చేంజ్ ద కెమెరా. Got it.
What's up?
Hey, hi.
How are you?
Amazing.
Nice car, bro.
Zing amazing.
Electric, huh?
Ah,
Petrol ఎక్కర్లేదా?
వేస్తే కొడతారు.
సరే సినిమాకి వెళ్దామా?
పుష్ప
It's
The
fire,
flower?
not flower.
Whoa. This is Bentley Continental, huh? Look at the road appearance. Shiva,
రోడ్ అంతుంది అది.
get that car, dude. What is this? 136,000 kilometers.
ఇంత తిరుగుతుందా?
ఈ కార్ తో నా కార్
ఆ కార్ని ఈ కార్ అంతా తిప్పేసరికి నా పరిస్థితి ఏమైతే తెలుసా? అరే లెఫ్ట్ రైట్ ఫస్ట్ అది చెప్పు.
Right. Whoa.
ఏం బెంచ్ అయితే ఏం చెప్పు సచ్చినట్టు ఆడే అవుతాడు. లోపల ఏముందిరా కార్?
దేర్ వాస్ ఎ పాజ్
You have to buy.
ఏంట్రా
How much is it?
దాని 4 టైర్లలో ఈ కార్ వస్తుంది తెలుసా?
4 టైర్లు కాదు, ఒక టైర్ వస్తుంది. You know the cost of the tire? I think it is around 3 or 4 lakhs. The cost of the tire. One tire.
ఆ టైర్ పంక్చర్ అయితే టైర్ ఫుల్
I'm not even talking about the alloy. Talking
Just
about
that
only the rubber part, the actual tire.
అదే అంటారు కదా ఆ టైర్ పంక్చర్ అయితే డైరెక్ట్ పెట్రోల్ ఫుల్ ట్యాంక్ ఉంటుంది.
But beautiful here. That is the reason I don't want to come this side.
Either left కదా?
See all fancy cars will see.
Left.
నాకు తెలియదు.
బెంట్లీ ఎక్కడ పోతే అక్కడ పోదాం రా.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు కెమెరా బ్యాటరీ ఇస్ dying fast, so we have to vlog fast. Okay charge పెట్టుకో. Okay
29%.
29% is the old battery. It doesn't last that long.
Spare.
We are okay, forget it. We are here at a new place called Suprabhartam.
Sabarmati.
Sabarmati. Sobra Mesa. Looks very fancy, nice. Has that English feel. Adi,
what's up?
Mr. Adi is here.
The stone collector.
Show me a stone.
I'm the stone keeper.
Anyone wants to gift anything to Adi, you can get him a stone.
అలా అని ఏది పడితే అది ఇవ్వకండి, దానికి ఒక వాల్యూ ఉండాలి.
Cannot really. Oh, by the way, memories, right? Doesn't matter. As long as it is given with love,
అవునా?
with the feel.
ఇది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోరా.
This is from Maldives. Maldives Ralu. And finally, we have decided to go to Pushpa, the flower. No, the fire.
పుష్ప అంటే ఫ్లవర్ అనుకుంటువా?
Fire.
ఫైర్.
Archit gave us a very good review about it. He said we can watch. He's watching it like for the second time.
తగ్గేదేలే.
వీడు చూడలేదు కానీ గడ్డ పట్టలేదు.
తగ్గేదేలే.
And also one more finally, we have decided to go to the ride.
అరే నువ్వు చెప్పొద్దురా.
Okay. Actually, no, let's not jinx it. We'll go now. We'll go for the ride directly. I'll see you on the bike only. After that, I will not confirm anything. I've been putting on a lot of weight, especially when you have friends like this. You'll have to.
Eggless అన్నాడు.
ఫ్రెండ్స్ లైక్ దిస్ అంటే కేక్
Friends like
మేమా?
this- friends like this who get
Eggless
such
కదా?
cakes. That's
అక్కడ
what
రాసు
it's gonna be. I'm
అందుకే
trying a
తీసుకొచ్చా.
lot.
మీరు కూడా తింటారు.
Charan already said that I put on a lot of weight. Not Charan, I know myself because now I'm fine. That's what.
Wait.
2 days back I was like.
Old Shrima.
ఓల్డ్ కష్టం లేరా?
I'll be honest.
ఓల్డ్ చాలా కష్టం.
Old like there's another 7 or 8 kilos left to reach there. But yeah, I started wearing L shirts again. You know.
నేను కూడా వెళ్ళే.
నువ్వు ఎప్పటి నుంచో వెళ్ళరా? I used to wear. I went almost to S, and then I started wearing M. Now I'm wearing L again. So again, this is L T-shirt.
సో SML is small కదా.
బాగుందమ్మా.
But it's okay. I'm happier eating all this for some time. We're getting back again.
ఈ
మాట కూడా చెప్తానే ఉన్నాం.
వీఆర్ గెట్టింగ్ బ్యాక్ అగైన్ అంటాడు.
I'm getting back seriously. I paid fee, you know. మా కమ్యూనిటీలో ఫ్రీ కాదంట జిమ్, బట్ డబ్బులు కట్టాలి. Very expensive. Guys want to see some interesting photography. 3 phones. Inception. తీయండ్రా.
కొడుతురా.
We need a pelli photo for Aditya. We are all trying, but we are not able to get his expression right.
అది అమ్మాయి
You are right. We are in place 2, Minerva Grand, which we did not decide. This fellow is getting us to Minerva Grand. Who is this? This is the first time we are coming to Minerva Grand, right? We never came to Minerva Grand.
మంచి మసాలా దోశ వేస్తే
మంచి మసాలా దోస.
సాంబార్ ఇట్లా చురితే
Okay, so today we are in a mood to eat. I'm seeing a menu.
एक प्लेन डोसा, कारम डोसा मिलेगा. घी नहीं, नॉर्मल कारम. घी कारम डोसा भी है.
నీకు ఏం కావాలి?
అంటే నాకు ప్లేన్ దోశ పైన జస్ట్ ఆ మసాలా కావాలంటే घी नहीं चाहिए, बस कारम हो गया. ठीक है, घी कारम डोसा. नहीं घी कारम डोसा लेके आया.
एक प्लेट पूरी नो ఆయిల్.
Egg plain dosa. Actually, all of us are in kind of a mood to eat proper South Indian food today, like traditional food.
మీ
Fellow, especially.
ఇది పొద్దున
Bathroom లో.
అది కాదు.
This is the first time we're having such a transition from Minerva to Jalebi at Taza Kitchens. Shiva, why is your hand empty?
బాదం మిల్క్ లేదు.
బాదం మిల్క్.
You wanted 2 badam milk, which is not available.
This is pulpy grape juice.
Today is a next level cheat day. Actually, today Jalebi is not that good. No, it's pulla. Works. Okay, the movie has started. I know you people can't see anything, but there is Shiva beside me. And there's Archit beside me. Oh, now you can see. Thank you, Shiva, for the lighting. Aditya is yet to come. We'll give you the review after we get out from here. Hopefully it should be good because I am specially Allu Arjun fan. We are fanboys. Time is literally 2:10 and there was a second interval which I thought we have to stay back and watch the movie. These people told me it is not that, there's a second part again for this. But anyways, the movie is actually good. I will rate it. It's a little bit long movie, but Allu Arjun, once again, he rocked it, he nailed it. Amazing performance, and I'm a fanboy of Allu Arjun, so whatever he does, I love it. I think I'll rate it around 8.5 out of 10. Definitely one time watch. Archit is watching it for the second time. I mean, you can actually watch it twice. If you're a fan, any number of times, but genuinely maybe once, aram se you can watch it. It is really good.
I liked it, dude.
Yeah, we were given like, I mean, lot of people told us.
Gave us negative review.
Straight.
But I liked it. It's really nice.
8.5 out of 10?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind.
No,
8,
actually
8.
for once I'll actually give 9 out of 10. It is good.
Commercial audience won't like it, but people who like cinema
It's not a one-man show movie.
Everyone has a good story in it, right?
ఉంటుందేమో అనుకున్నారా?
Hey, that is the only stupid purchase I've ever done in my life.
అరే నేను ఇంకా పెద్ద ఉంటుందేమో అనుకున్నారా ఫోటోస్ చూసి?
If it is bigger, you'll have to pay 4,000 rupees.
అంటే ఉంది ఆప్షన్.
No. This is the only option.
నా ఫోన్ అంత ఉందా ఇది?
It is to clean your phone only. But you have to add isopropyl alcohol for better results, which Apple might sell in future is what I'm expecting.
అరే నేను యశోదాకి వెళ్ళి పట్టుకొస్తాను అప్పది.
లేచోదా ఏంట్రా నీకు సన్ గ్లాసెస్ కొంటావా దాంతో వచ్చే సేమ్ క్లాత్ అది ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ థింగ్ అది ఇస్ గోనా స్టే బ్యాక్ హోమ్ టుడే యు ఆర్ ఆల్సో స్టేయింగ్
అంటే నువ్వు వెళ్ళిపోమంటావా అంటున్నాడు. ఉంటాడు.
ఓకే వి ఆర్ ఆల్
ఇప్పుడు నేను
ఫన్ బాయ్స్ డే
బ్యాచిలర్స్
బాయ్స్ నైట్ అవుట్
వాడా
యాక్చువల్లీ పూజ ఇస్ నాట్ దేర్ ఫర్ టుడే వాట్
కనెక్ట్ చేసి ఇంకా
Oh yes, we can have some party with water, okay?